Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and this is Kiran. So in this video I will be covering NIT Trichy admission notification. So it's fine I think if I cover this video in English because most of the candidates who were waiting for NIT Trichy admission notification are non-Hindi speaking and they can understand Hindi but they understand little bit. So I will be covering this video in English only. Here you can see the homepage of NIT Trichy. If you scroll down and you will see BTech BArt admission 2020 notification under notices and download section. So we will click here. Here you can see admission process online, JOSA CSAP DASA ICCR SII. They have given one important link for important instructions, and if you click here you will be directed to this JOSA important instructions. I think you have already read this, and if you have already then ignore this and we'll go back to this page. They have specified this process will be online and date they have mentioned as 7 December 2021 to 13 December 2021 5 p.m. Nothing else they have mentioned here, but if you scroll up you can see third notification under notices. So if we click here, they have given only one PDF notification. That means they have given notification in brief only. Detailed notification they will be releasing very soon. We'll just see this notification only right now. So if you can see, this is important instructions to candidates JOSA CSAP, and they had released this notification on 19th November, and they are asking candidates that the candidates whose documents have been verified successfully in any of the JOSA round 1 to 6 are required to deposit the partial admission fee compulsorily during November 20th to 24th, 2021 and latest by 5 p.m. of November 24th, 2021 on the JOSA portal in their login to secure their admission. So those who have been allotted NIT Trichy in round 6 and willing to take admission in NIT Trichy or want to continue for CSAB round, then they have to pay partial admission fee of 40,000 or 20,000. It depends on your category. In bold letters, they have specified there is no need to report physically at the allotted institute at this stage. Everything is online right now, so no need to report physically at allotted institute. Here you can see admission schedule, it's online. In bold red letters, they have specified it's online only. Again, they are saying there is no need to visit NIT Trichy in person for online admission also. Here you can see the schedule. It's from 7 December 2021 to 13 December 2021. All candidates who have secured their seat by paying partial admission fee during November 20th to 24 December 2021, they can report during 7 to 13. And all candidates of CSAP special round 1 and 2 who will be confirmed their seats. And they have mentioned online admission registration link, details of payment of fees, balance of institute fee, link for online payment through SB Collect, certificates to be uploaded at the time of online admission, scan copy will be updated first week of December in the following link. So here you can see this link. Everything will be updated here only. They have also specified the date for online classes, that is 15 December. Through this notification, NIT Trichy just want to inform you about online reporting date, that is 7 to 13 December, and classes will be from 15 December and remaining details will be shared in this particular link. So that's it for NIT Trichy. Please wait for detailed notification during first week of December.